sometimes people ain't doing the most. Look at this guy. Look. The old lady. Greetings everybody, we're outside again. Mate, it's cold. And today we're just gonna ride over this side of the city. Maybe go up Stratford Road ways, right up to the top. Or we're just freestyling, man. But yeah, family, again, on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you like what we're doing around here, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of that beautiful stuff. And enjoy the ride, enjoy the scenery. Oh shit, these roads are flipping horrible, man. Oh, man. So yeah, we're coming over this way, man. We gotta have to adapt the riding style accordingly. You get me? Yeah. If you know, you know. Nah, man, listen, it looks nice and bright, yeah. But again, it is absolutely freezing, man. Freezing. Don't make this fool you guys. If you ain't from the UK, just know that certain times when it looks bright like this, it's freezing cold. You need to wear gloves when you're not even on your bike. You get me? Everyone's coming out. So how's your day gone today, guys? How's it going? How's it gone? What are you gonna do today, man? I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this video, but you know, every now and again you have to do some long form content, you know? So I think I'm gonna do it, guys, in the mornings. Maybe I'll put a little topic, something silly or, you know, something interesting. In the evenings, I'll put up a little ride. Welcome to Sparkbrook, you know, like that. Oh my gosh. And the wind as well, guys, man. Mate, it can't be cold and windy at the same time. It's madness. But apparently I was looking on the weather thing today, and it was saying that it's going to be some ice. And you know what? I can actually feel it still, mate. Oh God. One thing about when you come around these kind of ends here, you can always smell food. And you know, so when I get out on my bike, more time I haven't had breakfast, and I just get lured in by the smell of something. You know what I'm saying? Man. We're gonna go all the way to the top of Sparkbrook, and it's mad because if you follow this road all the way non-stop, just keep going, you end up in Stratford upon Avon. Because if you don't know, this is the A3400 Stratford Road. What are they doing there? Islamic Centre of Britain, iconic masjid, community centre, school for 500 children, and much more. I mean, one thing I'll say, man, these guys are building still. They are building. No joke. Quite quiet up here at the minute, to be fair. When it's busy times, it's survival mode activate. You get me? When you ride it, you can't just, you know. Again, like I said in a previous video, man, the idea for me is I think it's better to be in front, so I got a clear space so I can move out of the way if I need to. Get me? What do you think of Stratford Road, guys? Let me know. Yeah, man. Traffic. Just more food again. Where's that coming from? But look where he's hitched. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. You got sometimes, you know, them man just put the rule book in the bin. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, sometimes, as I said, man, you have to adapt. But you got to think about it as well, innit? People have got big businesses up here. There's parked cars everywhere and that, and they just want to load and offload for us. Like, they don't really care. I mean, if I had a business there, maybe I'd be doing the same thing. Sometimes I don't really, I try and be careful when I'm filtering spaces like this, because sometimes people ain't doing the most. Look at this guy. The old lady. You get me? They're just pulling out everywhere. Like, what are you doing? Like, you just pulling out. Like, what are you doing? Like, you see me coming and you just pull it out. That's what I said, you have to adapt to what's going on. Don't look at it like, oh, I've got the right of way, so I'm just going to keep it moving. No, man, let them go, man, because at the end of the day, you're on a bike, they're in a car. Get me? So my mission now, yeah, is to get in front of this idiot. Oh gosh, they drive crazy. Yeah, he's smiling. Hi. Mate. Oh gosh. Come on, man. Yeah, if you don't know what you're doing when you're riding around these kind of ends, especially, like, yeah, you can get teetotal quick. You get me? So know what you're doing and get out of the way. See, for me, to get in front, I'd rather do a quick acceleration thing to get myself to 30 as soon as possible, rather than be hanging around and let guys just sit right at the back of me. Pause. You get me? It's not worth it, mate. Let's get out of the way. Right, they got a new petrol station there as well. Crazy. So now we're still on Stratford Road, but we're up Hall Green now. And just past the lights, on the right, there is Salford City College, Hall Green campus. I haven't been in there for years. I remember I was doing a teacher training course when I was about 20, 21, back in the day. And we used to come over the road there on our break time. I get liquored, man. Yeah, to be honest, I don't think I had any intention right then to even do anything specifically. Yeah, there's pressure that made me do it still. So, guys, if you got children, don't pressure your children to do stuff when it comes to certain education and stuff. And the reason being is because they'll go there and they're not really interested. Do you get me? And they'll probably do what I did. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah guys, we've just done the whole of Stratford Road. There's still much more to go, but we tackled the busiest bits. If you're new to the channel, don't forget, like the video, share the video, subscribe, because we're trying to run these numbers up to 500. I mean, we want to get past that. We want to get to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 100,000. You get what I'm saying? But for now, let's just start with the 500. And yeah, those who subscribed already, who likes, I appreciate you all. I'm out.